Thinking about a career in mortgage lending? Or ready to take your MLO license to the next level? Welcome to the CE Shop, your single source for online mortgage education with classes built for your success. Whether you're just getting started, looking to keep your license current, or growing your business. So, what is a mortgage loan originator, or MLO? An MLO is a licensed professional who guides clients through the entire mortgage process, from application to closing. This includes helping to secure financing so they can buy, refinance, or build a home, making the dream of homeownership a reality, advising borrowers on all their loan options so they can choose what's best for their financial needs, and collecting financial information and documents like pay stubs, credit reports, and tax returns to assess eligibility. Lastly, an MLO always ensures compliance needs are met by following federal and state regulations in order to protect their clients and ensure ethical lending practices. Becoming an MLO is simpler than you think. Complete 20 hours of NMLS-approved education and any required state-specific content, depending on where you're getting licensed. Pass the SAFE exam. We'll prep you with confidence, using practice questions and built-in tools. Submit your application through the nationwide multi-state licensing system, NMLS, which manages the application and background check. They also issue your unique identifier. Then, get sponsored by a licensed employer. Once hired, you'll be fully authorized to originate loans. Need continuing education instead? We've got that covered too, with fast, engaging, state-approved CE that works around your schedule and amplifies your success. Want to broaden your business and work in multiple states? No problem. If you're already licensed, some states require state-specific education in addition to PE and CE that you can take through the CE Shop. You don't need to retake the SAFE exam in each new state. Education requirements vary, so check state-specific needs. Submit MU4 applications to each state. Maintain proper sponsorship from a licensed lender and continuing education for each state where you're licensed. Use the NMLS portal as a centralized system to manage your applications, renewals, and compliance, and track your education requirements and completion. Why do so many professionals trust the CE Shop as their partner? 100% online and self-paced study anywhere, anytime. Industry-leading content written by experts and regularly updated so you stay ahead of trends and regulations. Built-in support tools, quizzes, flashcards, and real-world scenarios help reinforce learning. And 96% student satisfaction. Our courses don't just meet standards, they exceed expectations. Ready to see what it's like? Watch a free demo now and get a sneak peek at our interactive course platform. Or dive in and begin your 20-hour licensing course today. With the CE Shop, you're not just checking a box, you're launching a career. Learn more at theceshop.com/mortgage.